welcome back to Tech Shriyan. Today we're going to learn how can we use voting buttons in Outlook. So to do that, first we need to go to new mail as usual and now type in the mail IDs for people whom you want to send the vote. So I will type the mails and type mails. Yeah, so I have written all the mails which I want. You can send it even to 100 people or even 1,000 people. That's your wish. And for now, I will write the subject as vote so that they can understand this is a voting mail and this is very important. So I will increase the size and write vote for your leader. Now, here's the trick. Go to Options and you'll find a tab called Tracking. In Tracking, click on Use Voting Buttons and you'll have three options and one option as Custom. So these three options tell you that you can use any of these three which can be useful. If you have approve or reject kind of voting, you can check that box. If you have yes or no, you can check that. If you have yes, no, or maybe, you can check that. So for now, I'll click on Custom, and if you see in all these options, you'll find this mark uh, divides all the voting options. So you should use that mark to divide your voting. So I'll write Shriyan. I'll use that mark. Now I'll write Veer. Again, I'll use that mark. And finally, I will write Tech Shriyan. And now I'll click on close. So you'll get a notification that you have added voting buttons in this message, which we have done just now. And now we're going to send it. When you send it, it will be gone to every person. And now we can vote. And it is not just that only the person who we send can vote, but even we can vote to this message. I will vote for Tech Shriyan and again okay. And now in my other mail also, I will wait and it will take some time to come in here. Yeah, if you see it came, and now I am again voting for Tech Shriyan and again okay. And you can also see that you have responded Tech Shriyan on 30th August sometime. And now again the other mail, and again you should wait for some time so that you'll get those mail. Yeah, you got it. And now again I'm voting. I'll again vote for Tech Shriyan and okay. Finally, everyone has voted. Now I'll check my inbox where I have sent all the mails. So from now, every person, all the three persons, including me, I will get the replies. If you see, I have got from the second mail, the first mail, and from me myself as well. If you see Tech Shriyan, Tech Shriyan again, and finally Tech Shriyan. So if you see, here you will have you voting responses, and when you click on that, you will get the list of the people who have voted and they voted to what. So this can be used to people who have 50 or even more than 100. It can be useful for them. So it will be easy for us to check everyone's in not no by not checking everyone's in each of our mails. That's a big process. And okay, so this is how we can vote in Outlook. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.